Friends, thank you for watching my channel. I just want to remind you, if you need wallpaper, go to www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Tell them Spencer sent you. In fact, if you use my hashtag, Spencer Colgan is wallpaper, they'll be sure to give you 10% off at your checkout. No matter how much you order, they have a wide selection of wallpaper. Check it out. Matching texture. We have a patch job. And the patch needs to be brought flush with existing texture. So you go around the perimeter and you make sure that you have no ridges on your patch. I don't recommend sanding it because I have an aversion to lung contamination, as you should. And so rubbing the edge with a wet textured rag, textured, key point, texture acts like sandpaper. And you eliminate the ridge. That's a ridge, you see that? Come on now. This process will cause enlargement of your muscles, which could be a problem. And if the ridge is significant, then I suggest you shave it, right? Look. See it's shaving off? What do you think? Aha! Now look at the transition. So now, you're the guy, you're the gal doing this repair. What do? You break out your compressor. What do? And you get a can of texture. Whatever you do, it's important where you start, how far away you are from the surface, and how fast your hand is moving. Remember, it's better and easier to apply less than more. You can always add. In a situation like this, where my repair is over here, you know what? I like to test it on the wall itself. You can always wipe it off. Let me show you what I mean. I'm 18 inches away from the surface. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's see. Gonna make it a little thicker. Okay. So let's do that. Let's go a little thicker. Nice. Okay. Now, I'm going to start in the center area and then attenuate this way, that way, and all around, okay? Let's try it. Come on now. I know the lighting isn't that great. Okay. you know that this stuff settles down after it dries. So this is obviously the old stuff. Now let's move toward the new. Oh my goodness. Oh, Spencer. How do you know? How do you do this? Look at that. There's a rule. The further you go, the better you get. Okay, so my repair was 23 inches wide, and it was 2.5 feet vertically. I doubled the repair. So the telltale sign will be when it's painted. In order to achieve this, this was the setting I had the can on. By the way, if you ever get these cans, I can tell you honestly, it's poor quality. The can, I never had a can that lasts more than one job. Sorry, Homex, I don't recommend you. So this was our original texture, right? Oh, there you go. You can see that now. Follow me right into the repair. Okay, let me give you a better angle. Can you tell where the repair began when I passed? That's the repair. So let's go in close. There's a better shot. Still wet. I gave it 3 coats. But here's the repair. Here's the repair. Pretty good, right? This is not the most difficult repair, the one I just did. They get challenging though, when it's in the center of a room and it's on the ceiling, you know? Not too bad though. The point is to show you the bumps are the same height, they're the same distance, it's the same consistency. And all I did was use a can of texture, started in the middle, and sprayed in a circular motion from the center outward. That's how I did it. There's your old, here's your new. Okay. Thanks for watching. Tell me how you go about doing texture.